Hello, my acquaintances. Today, different backdrop. And I'm recording on my phone because my camera's dead. So, I'm going to be talking about how to upgrade and or personalize a rented space. Because, I kind of get tired of the same environment. If the environment's the same for too long, I'll be like, I gotta change it up. So these are some ways you can change a rental that you might not even think about, because a lot of people are like, oh well, I can't really change this stuff because it's a rental. But you can, because they're very easy to do and then replace and take out when you're done, and then just put it and move it to a new place. So the first thing is door pulls and knobs, like doorknobs, drawer pulls. These are very easy to install and uninstall, so you can just switch them out. Put the basic ones that came, or whichever ones came, put those somewhere, keep them somewhere. You can change them back to the normal ones when you move out. Your shower head, I've seen a lot of people do the detachable ones. Personally, I switched to this LED one that I thought was really cool because I'm trying to make my bathroom like space themed. But it's like kind of 50s space theme, like modern, what do you call that? Mid-century modern cosmic kind of theme because of the paint job. But which reminds me, also, you can paint a rented space. You should probably ask your landlord first, or just paint back over it in the same exact color when you leave. Put up a bidet. That's more of an upgrade than like changing it up, but like, toss a bidet attachment on there. Fuck it. Change the toilet seat. Fuck it. Shower rings, curtain. I did not realize how much of a difference this would make. When I put that shower curtain in, I was like, oh, that's swagalicious. Just decorating in general, it's gonna help quite a bit. You can always decorate and redecorate. I change up decorations about once a month. I try to, at least. Holiday decor, seasonal decor, and then just other decorations that I find, and I switch them all out and around. I use my Squishmallows to decorate. I change out the sheets, the bedding, well, I mean, you should be changing your sheets and bedding anyways, but, like I wash them, and then I, like, switch out which blankets I'm using and everything. It's something that is pretty obvious, but maybe light fixtures. This is something that like people don't think about. You can just change your light fixtures. Lamps, some cool funky lamps, and changing the lighting from this ugly yellow lighting to like something that appeals more to you. In the bathroom, we have a blue light bulb that's blue, and it's like a Saturn. Pretty cool. Shelves and furniture. It's another thing you don't really think of that upgrades a space, but it really does. Like adding a shelf, a desk, a couch. Like, switch it up. It might be a simple switch up. Might not. I just put a computer desk into the office for my new PC that I'm building. Are gonna be like, quality of life things. Humidifiers, air purifiers, they will help you. They will just, like, they don't really do that much for the space physically, but you can get cool one. Like, that one's a UFO, and then I have one in the other room that's a mushroom. And then just organize. Organizing a space can truly open it up and make it feel much better than it did before. So getting organizers, you don't really have to get like organizers, but like a basic like pull out like I have the vocabulary of a teenager, even though I'm about to be 25. I think artwork and like posters and little things can go quite a long way for the walls. Like boring, I don't know. There's just that's all there is to it. A simple vid that might be helpful to someone. So, you know to bye, subscribe. See you later, all you haters.